Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 and the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 offers high-definition video with 3D motion detection, which enhances its ability to detect and alert you of visitors from various angles. It integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa for voice commands, and the two-way audio allows for communication through the app. However, it requires a wired installation and a subscription for video storage. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell delivers a sharp 1536p resolution, providing clearer video quality compared to many other doorbells. It also has motion detections, a wide field of view, and the direct phone streaming without the need for a hub. The Arlo doorbell is wireless, making installation easier, but its subscription is required for cloud storage, and it may have fewer advanced features than the Ring. In my opinion, Ring excels with its motion detection and smart home integration, while Arlo offers easier installation and better video quality without the need for a hub. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.